One of the types of art that invites a person to think, inspiring him, is painting. Each work of the artist, created from his inner world and the wonders of the land, has a great impression on the viewer, and the creative works receives true satisfaction from the contentment of his viewers. Worshipping beauty of the world, artists with their works diligently and scrupulously describe the beauty of Turkmen women and their beautiful image. Their works glorify our national patterns. Also in their paintings they depict little of the original patterns, Keshte, the Turkmen people, women living in a beautiful era. In each work, the artists were able to show the image of a Turkmen woman, their light, their beauty. In the epics and other genres of folk art, they have survived to the present day. Prominent representatives of classical literature are described as an example of a shrine. The dresses of Ketene, silk kerchiefs, national ornaments in the work of artists, which are centuries-old ornaments of our women, found their delicate description. One of the big tasks facing the artists of Turkmenistan is the creation of remarkable works by transferring to the canvases of the country's beauties, national features of Turkmen values. The key task of artists is spiritual inspiration of people by the creation of beauty. Creating a beauty and to make people happy is the artist's main task. Creating a harmony of images and colors is the artist's main task. In this work, even a small detail is of great importance. Successfully chosen shade can bring success to the whole picture, its perfection. It's clear that this requires a certain amount of time, because creating a perfect picture requires inspiration, a lot of work, unremitting searches, and a lot of time. So before the picture is brought to the general eye, it requires a lot of work and time. The main creation of this is the artist's contentment with his work. In the works of art is the character of Turkmen girls and women, their feelings, sweet dreams are praised. Through the colors used in the work, their national characters revealed. Lovers of paintings present a real work of art. These works are poetic in nature. These paintings, which are brought in the world in harmony of beautiful patterns and national jewelry, are a real song, singing the natural and spiritual beauty of a Turkmen woman. Artists glorifying a beautiful world through their works convey with particular subtlety the delicate and beautiful images of Turkmen girls and women. In these works, national patterns and ornaments are glorified. At the same time, in their paintings, they glorify the ancient examples of Keshte patterns, the life of the Turkmen people, beautiful girls and women of the happy era of the Turkmen people in their paintings. Beauty is an impulse of human soul, aesthetics, and purity of heart. That's why the skill of chanting beauty is also art. The samples left by our mothers and grandmothers are school for us. In the paintings of artists, you can see Turkmen customs, national characteristics, and different types of handicrafts inherent in our women. In each work, the artists were able to show the image of a Turkmen woman, their light and their beauty. The beautiful image of a Turkmen woman was beautifully embodied with the author in their works. The artist was able to voluminously and colorfully reflect the life of women. In his work, a woman is depicted in national dresses. In this work, done in watercolor by combining bright colors, reveals the image of a woman. The features of her face are very clearly drawn. The rounded forms of the drawing made it possible to express the author's intention in a very poetic manner. Turkmen beauties are the shrine of the world of Turkmen. It's a bright path. That is why everything that forms a female world, different customs are very valuable. And just like women adheres to national traditions, women have a gentle nature, high dignity, and limited beauty. That's why women are beautiful and gentle in every way. The artists show in their works the spiritual wealth of the skillful Turkmen woman, their inspiration, the tenderness of the soul. Artists write the images in warm colors. It adds the works of a national favor. Their right choice of colors and their appropriate use allow the artist to convey a true picture of the life of a Turkmen woman. In the prosperous epoch of the Pahlavi, due to the efforts of the esteemed president, great attention is paid to the development time of Turkmen culture and art. That is why all types of art developing. Beautiful pictures of different colors are created by inner world of the artist, which is harmonious with nature, and live in the art world. Art masters try to express the all surrounding beauties through their works.